If you are rendering your HDZero footage and getting it doing something like this inside your software, I'm going to show you what you can do to make it better. So before, what I was doing is I was encoding it with a program called Handbrake. But what you can do that is easier is you download a program called VLC, you go to Media and make Convert Save. Here you're going to add the files that you want to convert. Here we go. You take your files, whatever folder they're in, you put them in a folder, you open those files, and then you click Convert Save. And now here, there's these presets, and those will re-encode it. But we want to set up something that you can do this with every single time. So you're going to create a profile. You're going to click over here, MP4 MOV. Then you're going to go to Video Codec. You're going to click Video, keep original video track. You're going to leave the rest. You're going to name this profile TS to MP4. And then this is going to be able to do that for you. So I already did mine. But basically then, anytime you want to do this, you can just go to VLC and you'll go to Media, Convert and Save, Add to. Here you'll pick all your folders, open, and then Convert Save. And here you'll click the TS to MP4 Start. And what it'll do is it'll make a copy of all those videos in a format that will actually work. So then when we take this one and we put it in here, the same video basically, and there you go. There's no more red dots or whatever. So you'll be able to do that with all your HDZero footage, and that's the quickest way of doing it. And any time that you want to do that, all you're going to have to do is put your batch of videos through here. It'll convert them super quickly. It's faster than Handbrake, and you'll be good to go.
What are you waiting for? Do it! Just do it! Yes, you can! Just do it!